Hello traders, the title of the video is a stock trader highlights a typical RSI trading mistake. Let's get started. The financial instrument that we are analyzing is Tesoro Corporation, EPIC TSO, that's Tango Sierra Oscar. This is a energy sector stock, oil and gas refining and marketing, an American stock, and we want to highlight a typical RSI trading mistake. All right, let's get started. So as you can see here, we are on a monthly chart, so what I'm about to discuss is also valid on every time frame. Although I'm using a monthly chart, okay, it's also true on every time frame. So the RSI period 14, you can see here is oversold. All right, it's oversold. All right, below it reaches the zone of 30. All right, that's it. It's oversold, and what usually takes place, traders will just buy. All right, so much distortion has been created in the financial market due to the fact that a lot of market participants are misusing trading tools, technical indicators, and also trading systems. All right, one should not buy just because a technical oscillator such as the CCI, Stochastic, RSI, is oversold. No. As you can see here, I want to show you here, or you can see here that the RSI, I want to highlight one more thing, is the level of 40. You need to be aware of that, okay? When the RSI D below 40, one should be careful if one is buying. Just want to highlight that, okay? So as of today, whenever you see the RSI dipping below 40, you should be a little bit cautious if you want to buy, meaning that it's piercing through it and closing below 40 for the first time. You can see here, it came quite close to the level of 40, but it found a support. Here again, you can see it came quite close to 40, but it didn't dip below it. But this is my own observation. But when the RSI closed below 40 and you want to buy, be very, very careful, because what usually takes place, according to my own observation, all right, is that when the RSI 14 pierces through the level of 40, there is a high chance the price may continue to go down more before it reaches the equilibrium price level, before it finds support. So just be aware of the level of 40 when the RSI pierces through that level for the first time after being overbought, so meaning that it's coming from the overbought zone and it's just piercing through the level of 40 for the first time. You want to be very, very gentle if you want to buy. So the red line here, that's the level of 40. And anytime they see here, very careful. So here it is, pierced to 40. All right, it's going back above it, which is good. But the mistakes that traders are making is that RSI is oversold, they buy. But the second mistake is that people are buying at any price. Do not do that. All right. Why? Because the hedge fund, the banks, the big financial institutions do not buy at any price. They do not. They buy at a specific price. So if you are a day trader, you'll notice sometimes that one may have a losing trade because one is rushing into the trade. So you enter the trade, but first you notice that it will be better to buy it, at a better support level or something like that, But then the price start going up, and then you jump into the trade, and that trade may be a losing trade because you are not patient. The smart money will place a trade at a specific price. So as you can see here, the RSI period 14 is now oversold. It is pointing to at this support level, which color is now into pink to please the ladies. Here it is. That's the support level that is pointing to us. You see the tail of this candlestick bar on the monthly chart? Why you got a tail? Because the price was coming down, coming down, coming down. There were orders here to buy the stock. As those orders were filled, the price push it back up. So look at this one again. Specific price. As the price was coming down, it reaches this level. There were orders here, and those orders were filled, and the price closed up. You want to observe or analyze the candlestick patterns near a key level. Again, here you can see this hammer here. Again, in the same zone, there are orders to buy. So why you should buy somewhere else? That is the question. Now, that's one mistake. So do not buy. That's the first mistake, because the RSI is oversold. Second mistake that you want to avoid: do not buy at a specific price. Try to buy near support level, near key levels. If it's not there, be patient. All right? The third mistake that the RSI traders are making is that when the RSI is oversold, they don't look on their left-hand side. So what do I mean? All right? Is this. There are many market participants that are using various trading strategies, and maybe your trading strategy or your favorite technical indicator is the RSI. Okay, you love the RSI, you want to use the RSI. Okay. Now, but you don't want to forget other market participants. All right. So there are other market participants that use Elliott wave, and just to cut all the blah blah blah, is that there was a trending phase. Look at here. There was a trending phase. Price was going up for some time. So Elliott wave trader will say first wave, second wave, third wave, fifth wave. When they see that fifth wave, they will expect a correction. So the third mistake that the RSI traders are making is that they don't pay attention to the market cycle, what has been going on and where is the price going on, and they try to buy the oversold RSI during the corrective phase. Please don't get into that trap. You may buy some time, but when you are buying, so what I mean is that you have a bullish trend, right? Now a correction is underway. It will be reasonable for somebody that is buying using the oversold RSI to be highly cautious. All right, doesn't mean that price cannot go back up. So you may have a flat correction. All right, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. All right, price may continue to go up for a while, but the point I'm making that just be aware that if the price has been going up for some time and a corrective phase has begun, so bullish trend followed by corrective phase. During the corrective phase, when the RSI is oversold, if you want to buy, be very, very conservative. That's all. That's all. So the opposite is also true in a downtrend. So downtrend was in place for some time. All right, price has been going down for some time. Now a correction has begun. All right. When the RSI is overbought during that corrective phase after a bearish move, be gentle, because you don't know how far the correction may bring the price to. So anytime you want to sell, because people were selling using overbought RSI during a downtrend, all right, which is okay. Now a correction phase has begun. If you are trading the overbought RSI, be very, very gentle. All right. So those are just a few mistakes that I want to highlight in this tutorial. As things stand now, you can see that the RSI is oversold. So here, we know that there was a trending phase before. If we are trading this RSI, we need to be careful. Price can go out, yeah, but be careful. Just be aware of it. Be careful. Be careful. Be gentle with it. Be cautious. All right. We do something like this, you don't know, or it may come back down. Okay. So the 65.96 where the small man is buying, or may pierce through it because this move is correcting the previous trend. All right. So first mistake that you want to avoid, Don't just buy because the RSI is oversold. So I recorded a video recently, and what is the title of that video? You can watch that video at the Pro Trader YouTube channel. The title of the video is RSI Trader Explains the Oversold RSI. Okay, this is at the Pro Traders YouTube channel. So you may understand why am I saying to you that when the RSI is oversold, do not just buy. The second mistake that you want to avoid is that when the RSI is oversold and you want to buy, well, don't buy at any price. Okay, the third mistake that one should avoid when the RSI is oversold is that look at your left hand side. What has happened before? Are we in a corrective phase? If you're in a corrective phase after a bullish trend and the RSI is oversold and you want to buy, be gentle. Okay, this is the end of this tutorial. If you have any question or suggestion, put in the comment section, and in due course I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about stock trader highlights a typical RSI trading mistake. Happy trading to you all and speak to you soon.